right, so after finishing off Saturday morning's mandatory overtime at work, we decided to take it easy today. Met up with Cousin Elizabeth and Uncle George again, and we're going to go ahead and just enjoy the day at Hemisfair Park, let the kids take the lead, and hopefully end it at the splash pad for a nice and relaxing evening. All right, here's the Mexican Cultural Institute Museum. It's free and normally open to the public, but due to COVID, I'm not exactly sure if it's currently in operation, but definitely something to check out if you are here. Alright, here's a really cool water feature of which you're allowed to run around and get wet, but you're not allowed to get in the water. And here's the Tower of the Americas, built in 1968. It celebrated its 50th anniversary in 2019. The tower itself stands at 750 feet and was actually once the tallest observation deck in the US. Right now we're just outside the tower itself, in the plaza area, I guess you could say, where many events have been held, such as movie nights, market days, Friday evening, music nights, car shows. It's just a great little place to walk around and explore. So if you find yourself in this area, make sure to go around the Tower of the Americas. On the back side, you actually come across these somewhat hidden works of art that are pretty cool to stop by, take a look at, and take some pictures. And there in the background, you can see the Henry B. Convention Center, where many events take place, including the Rock and Roll Marathon Expo. So whether you are a child or an adult, Hemisfair Park has something to offer you. Take a look. friends. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of Hemisfair Park, even though we still didn't cover everything. But I hope that gave you a glimpse as to what it has to offer. We will go ahead and list and post any links of any locations shown in the video. It is now time for the adults kick back as the kids enjoy the splash pad. Again, we hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, just keep following. This is Weekend Texas.